Here we are starting an artist village. Here you see around there is one place it's for woodwork and the other place is for metalwork. Over there is for pottery, and over there at the end of it, it is for stonework. We are creating an artist village for the children, for the community. They can come and learn artwork. Art is very healing, and we are going to open this village this year in October, and we want to invite all the artists from all around the world. They come and do workshops. They help us, we help them, and also when they come here, they go back to their own country. We are going to help them to create an artist village in their own country. Mostly the countries like Pacific Islands, India, Sri Lanka, Nepal. So I already have the connection with the artists. Slowly, one by one, we want to bring them here to share their knowledge, and all the children, everybody can learn something from them, and they can learn something from us. So that is the idea of this, the intention of this artist village. And the whole place will be landscaped and beautifully done, the beautiful environment to work and to create. We have a screen here, you can see we show films, documentary every month, and we have, it is a great thing that we do because a lot of people, children, mothers, all come to see it. Most of the films are very inspirational about farming, environment, and spiritual films. And I'm very glad that we have this screen and the project for the farm. It is a gift from a very good friend of mine.